Hello friend, my name is Sagar Kapadia. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Create Design. Today I will explain how to design web application header layout in Figma. So it is based basically on user experience, how we design header in web application. So let's start. So this is our web page where you can find header is placed at the topmost in any web application. Okay, so I decided how many layouts of header in web application. You can see it here. So I divided this header into three parts. First is a left part, second is a center part, and third is a right part. Let's talk about the left part. In left part, we can put the menu icon and logo icon. Why? Because most of the users see any web application at the first side, at the top and left side. So we can put some brand identity just like as our logo and some menu at the top left section. We can arrange this position vice versa. First we can place logo and then menu. Okay, so this is the very critical part in any web application to give the brand identity and some putting some other menu at the top left side. After completing this left part, we can go to the right part of the header. In right part, we can place many number of items just like as a user management, some notification, some search icon. We can also provide some menu for the users. We can place here menu just like as some settings, some changing password, changing something, means all the menu related to users. We can also put some button just like the login, sign up, buying some membership, means this is the right part used for only particularly for user perspective. Now let's move to the center part. In the center part, we can put the most priority menus and some useful links at the center part. If user using our web application and lost in this content part or lost in any web page in our web application, they directly go to this center part and accessing the top critical links and some important buttons. So we should put top our critical content at the center part of our header. This is the example of a PayPal. It is a web application where they put the logo at the left part to give some identity of a brand and place most of the useful menus and some links at the top center part, and all the user activities just like the logout, notification, setting at the right part. Guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.